Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to link your EA account to Steam. So first, open Steam and sign in to your account. Type your account name, password, then click remember my password. Then log in. Step 2. Select and launch any EA game you have purchased through Steam, and it will now ask you to install the Origin client onto your PC, if not already there. Once installed, the Origin client should open. Step 3. Link Steam and EA account. Sign in with your EA account. Type your email, password, and click on Sign in. Origin will now ask you to link your Steam and EA accounts. You should need to log in to Origin your EA account or create one. And step 4. Finish installation. Steam will now proceed with the game's installation and should let you know when it is available to play. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.